Most people follow trends, but Steve Jobs, he broke them. While others tweaked what existed, he started from zero, and that's why Apple became a trillion-dollar empire and created products that changed the world. Do you want to think like Steve Jobs? Let's see how. Hi, I'm Vishak. Welcome to Rich Minds. Before Apple, computers were massive, ugly, and only for experts. The industry accepted it as just the way things are. Most people think by analogy. They copy what exists and make a tweak. But that's exactly what keeps businesses stuck. Here's where most people go wrong. They build things on what already exists, but first principles thinking, it does the opposite. Instead of accepting the assumptions, it breaks things down to their fundamental truths and rebuild from the scratch. Steve Jobs used this first principles thinking while designing Apple's technology. Instead of asking, how can we improve this computer, he asked, what is a computer at its core? By doing this, he stripped away outdated ideas and designed something radically different. While IBM and Microsoft focused on raw power, Steve Jobs focused on design, simplicity, and user experience. Then came the ultimate game changer for Apple, the iPhone. People thought phone needed buttons, but Steve Jobs asked, do they? First principles thinking forces you to question every assumption. Steve Jobs didn't see phone as a device with buttons. He saw it as a tool for communicating and computing. This mindset led to touchscreen revolution, changing how we interact with technology forever. So, how can you apply first principles thinking? Break down the problem into its core elements. Challenge every assumption. Rebuild from the scratch using fundamental truths. Ready to think different? Drop in the comments, and don't forget to follow Rich Minds for more such success psychology.